For the R20B, you have a control end bracket and a pin end bracket. The control end bracket goes on the right side of the recess. The pin end bracket goes on the left side. Measure away from the window to allow space for handles. Use suitable fixings to secure brackets in position. Place the plastic covers over the brackets. Insert the pin end of the blind first. Then slot it into the control end and drop it down. Next, it's time to program the motor. Press prog button on the blind motor. The motor will beep. Press prog for 1 second. The motor will shunt once. Press stop on transmitter for 5 seconds. The motor will shunt once. Press down, motor shunts once again. The program is completed. Now we set the stop limit for the blind. Press down and let the blind reach close to the bottom, then press the stop button. Press prog on the back of transmitter for 1 second. The motor will shunt once to indicate limit stop setting mode. Continue to lower the blind to the desired position and press stop. Press prog again to set the lower limit. Next, move the blind to desired upper limit. Press prog, wait for the motor to shunt, and then press prog again to save the limit position. Motor will shunt once again to indicate the limit setting has been saved. Finally, check both limits work correctly.